It's a very busy week for the stock market. Earnings are coming in from big tech companies, and the Fed will be making a rate decision. Let's bring in Gareth Soloway, President and Chief Market Strategist at In the Money Stocks. Gareth, do you think that traders and investors are in for a wild one?
Yeah, so it is going to be a humongous week for the markets. And you're seeing that reflected in Monday's action. There's no doubt about it. On Monday, we saw the markets very quiet, volume light, because we're all waiting for the monster tech earnings between Amazon and Apple and Google and Facebook. And then you have the Federal Reserve on Wednesday and then GDP on Friday. So, I mean, it is just a monstrous week. But again, Monday saw that quieter action. As we get into Tuesday, be ready for fireworks. I do think the markets remain kind of in this hopium stage where we're seeing things at lofty levels. So I do caution investors to be a little bit careful going into this week where the market could be primed for a little bit of disappointment.
Tell us about your trade of the day.
Last week, we talked about Viacom. Viacom had a nice week. I'm going to stick with Viacom. It is one of the only stocks on the long side that I like right now. It's cheap. Again, a PE ratio forward looking of under 10 right now. Seems safe to me with a value kind of play, aside from a lot of the other overbought stocks out there.
Viacom shares are linked to that implosion at Archegos. Is there still a ripple effect in the stock market?
There sure is. I mean, there's no doubt about it that these stocks have been pummeled. But as an investor, if you have a longer term horizon, keep in mind that all these stocks that had these massive unloads because of the Archegos Capital debacle, there was nothing specific to their firm, meaning that they just got caught up because that was the stock that this firm was holding massive amounts in. So when you get a stock to get crushed as much as it is on no fundamental news of the company itself, when they're down 50, 60% off of their recent highs, those are usually great buying opportunities and rare opportunities for investors.
Always a pleasure. Thank you for your Trader Talk.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.